Print quality. How can I make a profit? How to use it. Software operations section at image. Click to print. The machine begins printing. Heating system. Pet film control system. Built-in cutting blade design. Shake powder onto the back. Place in the oven. Countdown and reminder function. Finally printed onto the textile surface.